forest and rangeland to me is my whole thing, is my total dependence. We call it in the dialect language Maasai, Pasenai, meaning everything.
With IKI Small Grant project, we are looking at building resilience of communities. Impact is a land right-based organization that deals with the rights of indigenous people and local communities within Kenya to defend their rights as communities. Looking at climate change effects in this region, just around Mukogodo Forest itself, it's over 200 households, which translates to over 5,000 people directly affected by climate change.
We had almost 5 years of drought, and we've been trying to cultivate and we get nothing. So that is affecting our livelihood.
So we are working around indigenous or community-led conservation models, building the livelihoods aspects when it comes to women, youth, and people with disabilities. To reduce pressure to this forest, we have been supporting communities to regreen the land.
We are restoring this land by reseeding. We are planting 2 types of grass, Maasai love grass and folktails. This land has been dominated by invasive species, Opuntia, so we have been removing the invasive for the last few days, and now we are reseeding the areas.
It has assisted us to expand our operations around the forest, as well as to reach different people within the landscape.
When they shifted in, we got that electric perimeter, and our first harvest was about 20 tons of maize and about 5 tons of beans. The other thing is the tree nursery. We intended to propagate about 10,000 seedlings each and every year.
The biggest project that we have seen over time is community owning up to the management of the forest and surrounding rangelands. This has seen the reduction in illegal activities in the forest.
I'm looking forward to a community that's able to adapt to changing climate and weather patterns, and a community that's self-reliant, it's able to support itself.